What's up, Green Rhino Project? Hey, we're gonna do some wine tasting room, carpet cleaning, rug cleaning. You wanna come? Well, you're here already. Eyes on a vision like a hawk in the sky. All right, hunt for wine. This one's not that bad. So done vacuuming, already spotted. All right, now that is back in there, but that was peroxide. It's about 5% peroxide, which is good enough, right? It's gonna take care of it really fast, and then we're gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna go ahead and drill, and hit all the spots, and it's just gonna disappear the wine stains itself. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just pre-spray everything and do my normal cleaning. With my agitation, I'm just gonna use my scrub brush right here, and the Poor Man CRB. That's what I usually use on area rugs, period. Okay, and it does great at taking out pet hair, by the way, too, guys. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. All right, so right there, wine spot, wine spot. We're not gonna do the whole thing because these rugs are basically plastic. And when you get them wet, even with a little heat, they start to warp up. The customer don't wanna deal with that. All right, so the wand word is going to be a little tough because I'm by myself today. So you got to get tricky with the wand word because, you know, especially when the rugs are thinner, they'll pull up and pull back, and so you gotta learn how to do that, right? So you'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to do too much recording on the actual rinsing. I'll try to, but let's go. yeah, a bunch of valuable links below all my videos. Check that out for the guys who are already in business, or even the guys that are just starting out, right? And they need guidance. I got you. All right. Hey, real quick. People ask me, how do you get business? How do you get business? It's simple. You want to be getting those reviews, right? Google reviews. So if you want to learn more about that, there's a video right here you can watch, and that'll really help you out. All right? See you in the next one.
Eyes on the vision like a hawk in the sky. Green Rhino charging forward till the day we fly.